Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into another video on the channel. So this is something I wasn't honestly very expecting, but I'm very excited about this next coming mod. I personally believe, in my own opinion, that the stock exhaust on the F80s, I think, or the F80X chassis, I think is pretty incredible as it is, especially with the valves open. I think it's plenty loud. But with my build, the way I'm going about it is I'm just trying to keep it OEM plus, like a simply clean theme to it. To go in line with that, I've been pretty much just going with all the M Performance line of products, like the diffuser, sweater, rear spoiler. So to complement that and to continue that M Performance OEM theme going, I decided, you guys in the pictures right now, it's a beautiful setup. Titanium muffler, titanium tips, and to honestly complement the MPE and to make it a complete exhaust, I decided to pair it with the Fabspeed front pipe, which is the second cat bypass. I decided to go this route because to me, I think it's one of the nicest, cleanest sounding setups, at least from what I've done in all of my research, and it fits perfectly and works in conjunction with the MPE. It's a straight slip-on setup, and I think it's a perfect setup going from like all the way from the downpipes back. I honestly have absolutely no plans on changing the downpipes, and I'm going to keep them stock. So I think this is a great setup if you guys want to go this route. So I'm just going to post some videos of the stock setup and the after. Hope you guys do enjoy. If you do like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe if you like, and give me some feedback. And if there's anything in particular you guys want to see, definitely ask away, and I will definitely try my best to post the videos. So thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy.